Assalamu Alaikum wa Rahmatullahi wa Barakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Peace and blessings be upon you all. I pray you're doing well, and if your heart feels heavy, you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about something every believer experiences at some point. Doubt. Moments when your faith feels weak, when your mind is filled with questions, or when you wonder if Allah still hears your prayers. My dear brothers and sisters, this video is for you. A gentle reminder that doubt doesn't mean you've lost faith. It means your heart is searching for answers, and that search can bring you even closer to Allah. So stay with me as we explore how to overcome doubts and strengthen your Iman journey, step by step, with peace, reflection, and hope. Overcoming doubts, strengthening your Iman journey. My dear brothers and sisters, every believer faces moments of uncertainty. Sometimes it comes quietly, in our prayers, in our thoughts, or when life feels too heavy to understand. And in those moments, Shaitan whispers, trying to make you feel unworthy or distant from Allah. But remember, even the strongest believers have felt doubt. The difference is, they turn that feeling into a reason to come closer to their Creator. When you feel lost, don't run away from Allah. Run to Him. He is Al-Wadud, the most loving, and He understands every question in your heart before you even speak it. Take a moment and reflect. Who gave you that heart that feels? Who placed faith inside it in the first place? It is Allah. And the one who gave you Iman will never abandon you when it trembles. Step 1. Acknowledge the doubt. The first step to overcoming doubt is acknowledging it without shame. Say to yourself, I am struggling, but I still believe. That honesty is a form of faith itself. Allah loves sincerity, and when you admit your weakness to Him, He strengthens you. Step 2. Return to Dhikr and Salah. When the heart is uncertain, it needs the remembrance of its Creator. Dhikr isn't only words, it's medicine for the soul. Say, Subhanallah, Alhamdulillah, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, even if your heart feels dry. Because every time you mention His name, your heart softens a little more. And every sujud, even when you don't have words, is a conversation between you and the One who never leaves. Step 3. Seek knowledge. Sometimes doubt grows from misunderstanding. Learning about your faith, the Quran, the prophets, the wisdom behind Allah's tests, brings light where there was confusion. Ask, read, listen to scholars, and don't be afraid to seek answers. The Prophet said, when Allah wishes good for someone, He gives them understanding of the religion. Bukhari and Muslim. Step 4. Trust Allah's timing. You may not find answers immediately, and that's okay. Faith is not about knowing everything. It's about trusting even when you don't understand. Your journey of Iman is not a straight line. It's full of ups and downs, lessons and healing. Every tear, every prayer, and every moment of confusion can lead to deeper faith, if you keep your heart open. So, my dear brothers and sisters, when doubt visits your heart, don't see it as failure. See it as an invitation from Allah to come closer, to ask, to seek, to feel, and to grow. Because true faith isn't the absence of doubt. It's choosing Allah again and again, even in the middle of it. May Allah strengthen your Iman, calm your heart, and fill your soul with peace. Ameen.